Hi, I'm Brian Miller, owner of Bunghole Brewery Supply. And I'm going to do it with two amazing new products. This right here is called the Bottle Bung, and it turns any PET plastic bottle into a mini keg, as you can see. So it screws right on the top, and it also will work with a glass growler, your standard bottle of beer that you could get at a microbrewery. So it fits right there, and take a look at how this works. So on this one, we'll use this with a mini regulator. Use it with a picnic tap as well. And there you go. There's a nice glass of black IPA. Combine the Bottle Bung with a patent pending sneak and you can turn any refrigerator into a kegerator. No drilling, no fuss, all reward. Now you can see right here that there's no drilling. It's attached by magnets or adhesive depending on what kind of refrigerator you have. The hoses sneak between the gaskets of the refrigerator, meaning you don't have to do any drilling at all. And you also don't have to worry about pressure because right inside, built in, is a mini regulator that runs off of a 16-gram CO2 cartridge. So let's take a look inside and see what it looks like in here. As you can see, you could choose to have a PET plastic bottle sitting right here on your shelf. Or if you want, you could have a couple growlers right here where the milk would go in the door of the refrigerator. Okay, you can see the Bottle Bung, you can see the two attachments, you can see the line right here pushing the gas in and the line going with the beer out. Anybody who has a kegerator or keezer probably quickly figured out another advantage to the Bottle Bung. You can go get one of these bottles filled up with craft brew, and these systems that work with a Cornelius keg like this, it'll work perfectly well with this thing right here. So that means that you can have your home brew pouring right next to your craft brew. Not only is the Bottle Bung cool and flexible when it comes to dispensing, but it's superior to other products when it comes to filling. If you get a normal growler filled from a brewery, it goes bad really quickly because oxygen gets into the beer. So you start off with one of these guys and you purge out the bottle, right? So you fill it with CO2, get all the oxygen out. Then the next step is you get this little draft adapter, okay? Microbrewery, okay? Put it in there, and then up here you put this thing, you leave it open so it'll vent out all the CO2 in there, and then you just pull the handle and you're filling the bottle with fresh draft homebrew, or you could do it with microbrew. Another filling option is, if you've already switched to kegs, if you're using corny kegs, you can just put your beer in here, and if you're ever going to a party or going anywhere and you need to be portable, you can go from your corny keg to your mini keg just by getting one of these lines like this, popping that on there, and you can transfer your corny keg beer to your mini keg beer. For the ultimate in flexibility and portability, we created the Porta Party. So we made this to showcase the capabilities of the Bottle Bung mini kegs. So if you look inside, it fits 3 Bottle Bung mini kegs. On the outside you have 3 taps, and with this baby you have the ultimate refreshment station in a portable compact package. Once again, my name is Brian Miller, owner of Bunghole Brewery Supply. Please help me to make my dream come true of bringing the Bottle Bung, the Sneak, and the Porta Party to home brewers everywhere, and allow me to be your guide on your journey to be a beer hero.